I just realized something while I'm here in Los Angeles. Very cold, beautiful weather, but really cold, rainy. The moment I knew my life had truly changed, the moment I knew that I've made it, it really wasn't when I hit a certain income goal. It wasn't when my manifestation started coming in. It wasn't even when my specific person texted me back. The moment I knew my life had changed was how I felt within myself. That's when I got it. I had an aha moment that the real mark of transformation was not in what I got, it was in how I responded to life, how I feel about myself every single day, and especially when things don't go my way. And after doing this work for many years, I really started when I was 16 years old, I slowly realized that I stopped spiraling over things I can't control. I felt peace instead of panic when someone does anything that I don't agree with. And I no longer needed outside validation to feel worthy. I know now that I've changed. And it doesn't mean people or things will not trigger me anymore. Like I'm not an emotionless robot, but my bounce back rate is incredibly fast now. And this is because in my journey, I focus on myself. I focus on my own healing. If someone triggers me, I come back to me. I focus on the emotion that it brought up. I don't make it about the other person. And this is why so many people struggle with manifestation. They think it's only about getting something, but it's never about getting. It's about who you become in the process. We are souls having a human experience, and part of that experience is to feel the spectrum of emotions and go through different circumstances. This doesn't have to be a bad thing. In fact, it's not. The person that rejects you is teaching you how to value and rely on yourself. The money that slips out of your bank account is teaching you that true abundance has nothing to do with money at all. That it's a state of being. If you can believe that you are always taken care of every moment of every day, you will experience this deep peace as well. The moment you meet your soul, your higher self, your most magnetic version, you will never chase anything outside of you. You will never beg for your manifestation. You will never try so hard to get someone to approve of you or to like you back. You will not feel desperate looking for signs. You will just know. And once you start nurturing your own energy over everything else, everything comes to you effortlessly. Everything. You will let life move through you. I'm really passionate about EFT tapping. It's how I got to where I am. So if you want to try it out, come join my membership, Become Magnetic. You will learn how to shift from seeking outside of yourself to feeling whole and certain within yourself. And once you meet yourself, not on an egoistic level, but from a higher perspective, you will align with magic, literal magic, because real manifestation starts within you.